For today's breakfast, we're making this mini cereal pancake that I've seen before. I don't think this is new exactly, but I just wanted to try it, so this is what we're starting with. There we go. And I'm just going to microwave this. I have no money to buy extract, so I'm using essence. Just a little bit. About 80 grams of milk. And I added too much. So we're gonna pour some out. We have an egg. Seems a little much. I'm gonna put half. Oh gosh. Oh. That small? That's cute. Mini pancakes, my new favorite thing, by the way. So good. They look like little chips. Gotta add a little honey. I love mini stuff. And mini pancakes, adorable. I definitely ate some while I was cooking, but this is my first real bite of mini stacks of pancake. Like, oh gosh. With the honey, so good. Pretty sure I used too much butter in the recipe because it wasn't browning well, so they came out like pretty uneven in terms of like the exterior being more crispy, so they literally look like potato chips, but there's still that fluffy interior. If you like crispier pancakes without that fluffy interior, go for the smaller ones, of course. If I were to tweak this recipe, essentially I will add less butter and a little more sugar to it. That's it. It was a little time consuming to fry them one by one. Honestly, I'm just personally biased towards mini foods, so we gotta find the perfect potato. I'm just choosing those that are bigger, I guess. Just gotta scrub them clean. Right, so while we wait, we're gonna do the fried shallots. So here I got a little shallot to chop up. I feel like I'm just gonna burn them, to be honest. I'm just gonna turn it up a little. I'm gonna leave them for a little while. Maybe not, it seems like they're burning. Going to remove all these burnt pieces to hide the evidence. Some butter. That looks so promising. Ah! First bite. Oof. Holy. The flavors go so well together. The butter and the potatoes are very prominent. I'm so going to make this again. How can anyone not like potatoes? With butter, with cheese, with some yummy delicious sauce, and the fried shallots, even though I burnt it a little. So good. I'm cooking the wrap from, what's that, Taco Bell Crunchwrap Supreme or something. But then I realized I have no sour cream, so we'll make do without it. This is for the top layer that we will have. I'm going to place the meat first. Some cheese. Quite frankly, I think it's going to open up. Knowing my luck with this kind of things. Right, we have the moment of truth. It opened up. It opened up so bad. Okay, not too bad. I'm so excited for this. Oof. Good crust. Okay, are you ready for this first bite? Let's see how it goes. The wrap is really crunchy, so it complements the insides, which are a little moist. The cheesiness from the cheese, of course. The lettuce and tomatoes to give that extra moisture. If I had some sour cream, it would have gone so well with this. The meat is seasoned pretty decently too. It is a little oily given the fact that my stainless steel kept sticking. But other than that, pretty good.